Ayaw munang haluan ng personal ng kapuso love team na sina Michael Sager at Jillian Ward ang kanilang tambalan sa GMA Public Affairs series na My Ilonggo Girl. In fairness, pak na pak ngayon sa mga manunood ang nakakakilig na tandem nina Jillian at Michael kahit pa nga ito ang unang pagkakataon na nagkasama sila sa isang primetime serye. Ayon kay Michael, naniniwala siya na importante ang pagkakaroon ng authentic chemistry sa isang magka-love team para mas maging natural at makatotohanan ang kanilang mga eksena. Authenticity can't be bought, eh. I mean, that's something you have to create by being real with one another, and the way I did it with Jill, I was open to her, pahayag ni Michael sa isang panayam. Dagdag pa niya, sabi ko sa kanya, for this work, this project, I gave it my all talaga. Sabi ko, ibang opportunity to be partners. Sabi ko, I want to get to know her, I want her to be comfortable, kasi yung scenes namin, first time for her. So, I made sure na we had moments of calm, na we get to know one another, kasi para nga ang may palabas namin is genuine, sabi pa ng kapuso actor. Natanong din siya kung ano ang reaksyon niya sa mga fans na umaasang magiging sila rin in real life. I think sa industry naman po natin, it's actually great kasi we're evolving. I mean, marami ring nagpa-partner na lang as leading man, leading lady. Yung pagjojowa, I feel like for me, it's far from my goals right now and her din kasi parang importante kasi, focus muna sa work. Kasi pag nahahalo yun, baka mawala yung priorities, paliwanag ng binata. Dagdag pa niya, I think what I can do siguro is hope for the best, just take care of her, take care of what we have, and make sure iwas na lang sa issue, and masaya lang palagi. And I think that's what's important lang, na we enjoy the company and the times we're on in the set, sabi pa ng aktor. Kasama rin nina Michael at Jillian sa My Ilonggo Girl, sina Teresa Loizaga, R. San Agustin, Layan Valentin, Arlene Mulak, Carla Martinez, Empoy Marquez, Yasser Marta, Richard Juan, Andrea Del Rosario, Vince Maristela, Patricia Ismael, Yesh Burrs, at ang mga sparkle artist na sina Sabrina Santos at Geo Mana.